2016 Tunland that I have this problem. That's in the rear door, and now the front door. It's like this. And apparently, this here it's broken a tab. So I need to source this as a new. There is a small adjustment, but there is not much that can be adjusted when it's broken. It's broken. So what happened with this one is that it will, try to open, and this will pull all the way here. So you kind of push it a little bit inside, and then pull this way, and then it will grab. Somehow it will grab the door and open. So in order to get here, I need to get the inside panel and disassemble from the inside. Here is the panel. Poor truck. It's been the most abused Tunland there is. Working in a mine, and all the dust and dirt just kills it. So that's the new one for now, the new problem.